And we're heading back into Animal Kingdom. Look at the Tree of Life.
Wow, my God!
It's massive. Ooh, we got some bug glasses. I can hear some bugs. Selfie.
Wait, go.
Go.
And if you want, I'll just like put Minnie here. I know that's super.
Okay.
Welcome on into the Tree of Life Theatre as you enter.
And we're back in A Bug's Life. And we're risking it again. Got Garden Grill booked for 6 and it's 5 o'clock. And they just told me they want to get dressed at the hotel. We're risking it. I see spiders.
Hello everyone, my name is Liv. Thank you for joining us today in the Tree of Life Theatre. A few quick reminders about our show. It does contain darkness, loud noises and some creepy crawly special effects which may be too intense for some viewers. We proudly present It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flik!
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over. Way over. Little more. Little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival. Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming. He's on a roll. Hey, what are you guys trying to pull? Listen up, my ant. That's right, acid. Welcome him now, he's bugged.
Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
You'll never catch me! She's gonna blow! Blow? Who's gonna blow?
Oh boy.
What? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. What? You're still alive? This means war! Spiders. They're mine. Bug bombs.
It's a piece of cake. And it's moldy! Hey, little fella.
Hi.
Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely.
You little chicken.
At this time, gather up your personal belongings
Let me sit on
and
the
take your
floor.
small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed our show. Please send us your guys' things outside of the theatre announcements or
To be a bird. Goodbye. Tree of life. And the exits.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.